My viewers, people they really suffer inside this Nigeria where we do. I just discover say e get one community where they inside Lagos State. These people now inside dirty water and they live. Or na see as rain they fall wey be say everywhere go dey flooded, wey be say people go dey complain. This one na so their town be, and this one na Itowolo inside Lagos State. And these people don't complain tire. No be say now today wey be say Kokun Foundation can't go find them. They don't come outside talk tire. They get local government chairman, they get everything. But still government don't decide say they no go put mouth inside their matter. Now only say Kokun Foundation now can't go discover them. Now ain't can bring out this matter now again. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
What? Well done, no. Well done, sir. Hey, let's go inside. Wow. How are you? What's your name? Yinka. Put your clothes down, fine girl. Put it down. How is everything, sir? How long have you been staying here? How long? How many years? 4-5 years. Wow, this is so sad. Calm down. Let me see how. No, fine girl. Wow. Wow. So sorry. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow. So sorry. Come closer, yeah. Sorry, Hi, girl. How are you? What's your name? What's your name? Komiwa, how about you? She's back in now. Wow. She's back. She's back in. Fais attention où est le de monnaie là. Yeah. Can I ask something? Hope you don't mind. Yes. Is there no water you can use apart from this? Yes. There's no water. There's no. Eh? No. Like there's no bottle, kusi, konga, nothing. Sorry. Mama, are you a man? No? Hello? Hello, mama. Mama.
Kokun, mama, call you. Let me call them. What's your name? Michael. Okay. You know
where's your bed? Go front now. Go. How long have you been staying here like this?
Since water gone.
How long? Since how long?
Since.
How many years?
Since this making 4 years now.
4 years.
Yes.
Yeah. So sorry. Oh yeah. So sorry. Eh? Sorry. Eh? How many people stay here?
Now wow, I beg gonna see where person they live. Human being for that matter no be river. It means say people they suffer for this Nigeria where we take. But me watching this one, it dey very very heartbreaking to me. Because I beg on see am. See this water will be say people they see as clean water. Now some people they bath. Person go see this water now see am as dirty water. Now these people they use take survive. But I need to ask abeg, where dey these people local government chairman? Where the governor of Lagos State someone, because I don't understand. This kind place they inside this Lagos where all of us they live and I know they find anything to do about them. And based on research what I do, I get to know say what be the ex-president Goodluck Jonathan. The time when this whole thing starts, they call this man say, okay, Oga, now like this community be come find something to do about this thing. And since that time, so they enter this Buhari regime, they never still do anything. It means that this our government, or now they do this thing on purpose. Because if una know say Lekki, people wey know Lekki beach, una know say this place na water before, but now make na go look wetin government don do for there. They don pour sand fill this place, put big house. And we just be say to even rent and say you no go even get the money. So if they go fit do that one, why be say this one now they no go fit come do am for inside this community? It means here they just like to dey suffer our people. But make we no lie, this Lagos of a place na just a glorified slum. Because people just dey praise the name Lagos. Una dey see the Lagos. See as people dey inside this place dey suffer. But abeg I need to ask the people wey dey live inside this place, I no understand una. Na stubbornness abi na poverty? Because looking at this thing, you dey inside house, be na 2-bedroom abi na 1-bedroom flat you dey live. Abeg this money wey you stay rent this water house, abeg why you no carry am? Take go rent place wey be say e dey dry, wey dey okay. You no even reason your children, because me I dey reason am. Training your pikin inside this community, e no make sense. I even surprise. What if one of your child go drown because the small one, as we watch the video, the pikin no fit come down? You know reason all this kind, and I go just say take unnecessary risk. Maybe I dey very certain say the house rent for this place dey very cheap. Now wetin make una decide say una wan go live there? But at least make una dey do some things with sense. But aside this one, government abeg find something to do about this one. Because at the reason I say since Goodluck time, una suppose don find something. If na drainage, make una do am for them. At least make we know say this water no dey go. Then this water dey go. Make una just stop to dey suffer these people anyhow. This one really pay me. I wish I go fit help, but anyway, na government work na be this one. My people, now here I go take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.